Hi guys, this is Dr. Nick on endocrinology and metabolism. The topic is obesity and weight loss drugs. We have been prescribing this class of drugs since the year 2005 when it was FDA approved for the management of diabetes because they were glucose sensitive and they created weight loss. Fast forward to 2014 where the first drug FDA approved was Saxenda, and it got some traction. As the years progressed, they used other drugs accordingly. Now, why do I think it's important to be on these medicines versus not to be on these medicines? Right now, if you want to be on this medicine for the management of weight loss, you need to have clear indications. You need a BMI of at least 27, that's basal metabolic index over 27 with some risk factors like blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, or you need to have a BMI of over 30. Because we know that when your BMI is elevated, your increased risk of cardiovascular outcomes are poor and death goes up. Therefore, it is highly indicated for those patients who have a BMI of over 30.